Well, we try to be as accurate as possible. Have we made mistakes? Yes, every now and then, people. And the beautiful thing about the internet is if you make a mistake, people immediately call you out on it.
So, even if you don't make a mistake, they're calling you out.
Yeah.
They have no,
but
some people are brutal, man.
but that's also, it's a good thing. I mean, it keeps people in check.
It does. I mean, I admit, and I learned a tough lesson with this Heidi case. I thought for sure Shane did something to her.
Yeah.
I thought without a doubt he did it. I saw his interviews. I'm like, this dude is sketchy.
Yes, it's my fiance. Yes, ma'am.
So Shane just gonna talk to you then?
Yeah, I look down when I talk. I'm sorry, I'm gonna look down the whole time probably. Yeah.
He had to have done it, and I was so wrong. And a lot of people gave me a hard time. Other creators made videos about me.
Oh, really?
Jay is for Justice, slam Shane, and said he was guilty. He had to have done it, and look at her now, and it wasn't him. And I'm just like, oh my God, rake me over the coals, for Christ's sake. I mean, statistically wise, it usually is the significant other, is it not? Or am I wrong in that?
I don't know if there's any statistic that I'm aware of to back that up, but he was one of the last people that saw her, and nobody was aware of, Miss Fieramusca showing up.
Heidi loved Magan. I mean, like, they had a great relationship. Like, I went over in my head about 1,000 times. Like, I should have been there. I should have noticed something. She was a friend, Like, you would not suspect this at all. Like, at all.
You guys found out Heidi was pregnant. Do you remember hearing that Magan was pregnant too?
Oh, I think it was like pretty much at the same time. Magan said that she had the same date as Heidi.
You never questioned it?
I never questioned it at all.
So, I'll be honest with you. When I saw the videos, I was like, ooh, this doesn't look good. This could be another Chris Watts thing.
That's exactly what I thought.
And I think I said on one of my videos, like, hey, let's hold on. Presumption of innocence here.
I saw you say that, and I'm like, gosh darn it, everybody.
Well, you just don't know. And like I said, not that I'm the smartest guy in the world, but, after 25 years of doing this, what I have learned is that somehow, no matter how bizarre or crazy the story may sound up front, I've literally been there like, oh my God, it's true. You couldn't make this stuff up.
Right.
And it's just,
you never know when it's going to be one of those circumstances.
You have no idea how much weird stuff goes on in the world. That doesn't go in my neighborhood. And I'm like, oh, you have no idea.
Right.
I drive by, it's like, I did an egg rob there, egg case. Oh, that was a homicide case. Like, just right down the street from where like if people knew what went on in the world, they literally would lock the doors, arm themselves, and never come out. I'm glad I don't know. World.
I don't know half of it, and I still don't like people. People scare me.
Yeah, but I think that's the allure of Chris Watts.
I called her 3 times, texted her about 3 times just to say, what's going on. Like, because after I called her and texted her once, it's like maybe she was just busy. Like, she had just gotten back. Like everybody's probably calling her from her trip. She just got back from Arizona, and I figured she was just busy. But when her friend showed up, that's what it was like. It registered like, all right, this isn't right.
Do you think she just took off? Do you think?
I mean, right now I don't even want to just like throw anything out there. Like, I hope that she's somewhere safe right now and with the kids. But I mean, could she just taken off? I don't know. But if somebody has her and they're not safe, like, I want them back now. Like, that's what's in my head. Like, if they're safe right now, they're gonna come back. But if they're not safe right now, that's the not knowing part. Like, if they're not safe, last night I had every light in the house on. I was hoping that I would just ran over by the kids running in the door and just like barrel rushing me, but it didn't happen.
It wasn't some homeless guy on the streets of a big city that
That you
somebody
have to
got
look
killed.
out for.
It was the suburbia, and I think that's why so many people just were so interested in that, because you got suburbia, husband, wife. I mean, the classic DV is not the guy kills his wife and kills the children. It's, they get in an argument and he pushes her against the wall or something. This is like big time DV, and it was just crazy.